Hi, my name's Mark Burks. I work during the day as an RYA Yachtmaster Instructor for various schools in the Solent and the south of England. I've been working professionally in the sailing industry for over 20 years. During the COVID lockdown, I decided to spend my time as productively as I could, and I've been producing some free, pithy tutorial videos for the sailor looking to improve upon their existing skill set. I'm now putting together structured micro courses on various topics that form an important part of the rookie skipper's learning process. Now, the first 4 courses, which are multimedia based with a large video element, will be coming online in May 2021. The first 4 courses will cover these topics: a comprehensive guide on the understanding and calculation of tides and currents, preparation for the International Certificate of Competence, a detailed explanation of how to build a rock-solid pilotage and passage plan, and an explanation of the IRPCS, otherwise known as Colregs or the Rules of the Road. These micro courses are now available for pre-order without any obligation to purchase, and the first 50 pre-orders will secure a 40% discount on the list price. And once the courses are complete and have been published by us, we'll email you with your discount code. You'll have 14 days to claim the code and purchase the course. The courses are being hosted on the Udemy learning platform, and once you've bought a course, it's yours for life. If the course doesn't meet your expectations in any way, then we also offer a 100% money-back guarantee, which is administered by Udemy, meaning there is absolutely no risk to you. If you're interested in building on your existing knowledge, or if you're a complete novice, consider pre-ordering your micro course now. And if you have an idea for another micro course you'd like us to address, you can message us on our website or just tweet me at Mark Burks. Thanks for listening and sail safe.